Hi guys, Freightliner Cascadia 2022. We had an interesting situation here. I think it's gonna give you a good tip if you guys tried as much as we tried and still cannot figure this out. We found what the problem was. So this switch, the whole control panel, was not working, not responding on anything. You would press the buttons and it would not work. First of all, usually the whole panel is faulty. So we had the extra part. We flipped it. It would not do anything. It would not help at all. Then we inspected wires on the back. No corrosion. Everything is good. And we checked all the fuses. Fuse is good. Then we connected computer and it was saying SAM cap switch was not found, or like not responding, something like that. So we measured voltage from those wires. There are two connectors on the back, to here. I'm not going to remove it right now. I'm sure you already did it and you know what I'm talking about. So we measured voltage from those wires and one wire had no voltage. We traced that wire and it goes over here to this control panel with the lights. But that was not the problem still. Then there is another wire that goes all the way to the top, to this switch. And that's what caused the whole problem. When you remove it, I cannot remove it right now, but anyway, there are two wires on the back and this switch is getting corroded. I have no idea how. The truck is only 2022, but it got corroded. We took the spare switch and we connected it, replaced it. That's how it looks, and it started to work. And if you look inside, let me get the light here. If you look inside, you can see that there is corrosion. And there is no troubleshooting for this thing. So you just have to guess and play around. But that solved the whole issue. And if you have something similar, I would try that. And I hope that will help you. Thank you for watching.